Yes, and I got the minor too. Alright, I'm at Potawatomi Hotel Casino. Gonna do double wheel. It's a newer slot machine here. I put $30 cash in, activated $30 in free play. Gonna do 25 cents. You can do $1, but I don't want to spend that much. So I think minimum bet playing 9 lines is $2.25. Okay, I don't know what we need on here, but I'm assuming we get the wheels bonus on there. You're going up there for that wheel. First line hit, I believe. That would have been nice. Would have had another 7 up there. So far, I'm not getting anything. One on the old style one. I'm going to pull the handle. Got a hit on it. Got 10 bucks. I don't think it matters, but to some of us it does. Free play money's all gone. So right now we're up $15. Must have to be on a pay line for the bonus. There we go. That's got to be a big one. It's got to be a huge one with 5 times, 2 times, 7s. Holy cow. $138. That was a great hit. I'd like to see the bonus, but I'm only going to go down to 150 and cash out. Gotta learn, when you hit something really big sometimes, don't just keep putting it all back in. Please, I just want to see it. Yes, we got it. That's what I wanted to see for you guys. Alright, here we go. See what we're gonna get. I had a feeling it was gonna be a low one, but give me a big multiplier. I'll take it though. Anything helps. Was another $17.50. Could at least gave me a multiplier in there though. We got the bonus. That's what I wanted to see. Can we get back to back? Oh, it was right there. Well, they're popping up now. Let's do it. Well, I said I was going to go down to 150, but now it looks like it's just starting to tease me. I think I'm going to cash out with $170. I only put in $30 in my cash, $30 in free play. Even with the free play money, I still made $111. Sorry for the interruption, but do me a favor and click that like button. That helps YouTube spread my videos to other viewers. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button. It's free. And that bell, click on that, and you'll be notified with my new videos every day. Alright, gonna play some Wolf Run Eclipse. I'm not a fan of this slot, but gotta try it once in a while, see if you can get something on it. Never can get bonuses on this slot machine. I put in $100 cash and I activated $20 in free play. Alright, here we go. Still be on $1.60, but it's gonna be 2-cent denomination. Something, don't know what. Good pay line, really good pay line. That was $42. Brings my ticket up to 130 now. One bonus with the wheel on it that gets you to that wheel that's up on the top. I'll show you. See the progressives, and then you can see the wheels, and it spins up there, and that's what it'll give you. Never got that one before, so I did get the bonus, I think a mini once, and that was it. Otherwise, I really never get any bonuses on this. You can see how tough it is right now. Well, that's up to 7. Need to line something up here, get something here. It's like that big hit we had earlier. And now the mini's up to 9. Alright, I don't want to bore you. I'll come back if I get a bonus. Alright, I put in $40 more on that 2-cent denomination. Then I went to nickel denom. Probably put in almost $10, and then I hit this line hit. Do some more live with you. It's the minimum bet, $2. Yes, and I got the minor too. Finally got a bonus in this thing on a different denomination too. All right, here we go. Let's see what we're gonna get. Hopefully something nice. There we go, a little something there. Not a lot, but helps. 3 more spins left. Last spin. Not bad. It's minimum bet. But I did get the minor one. I thought it would have been a little bit higher. The total is 58.25. Brings my ticket up to $142. Do a backup spin. Gives me at least 3 more spins. I might cash out at $140 and take the $40 and run. Exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to finally come out ahead for a change on this one. I'm going to take the 140 and I'll see what I can do in the next one. Follow me on Facebook. I post a brand new video every day at 3 p.m. Central. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see some more slot action, click on one of these 2 videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.